Do you copy?
Benji.
Oh, shit. Where is Ethan?
I can't talk right now.
The package is on the plane.
Yeah, I know.
We're currently formulating a plan B, although technically it's a plan C.
This isn't going very well.
I am aware of that, Brandt. You're not helping.
Where's Ethan?
I don't know, we're on radio silence.
That plane cannot take off with the package on it. You understand?
We're working on it.
Luther? What the hell are you doing there? You're supposed to be on assignment in Malaysia.
I am in Malaysia. I've been here 2 days. Benji needed my help.
I didn't need help, I needed assistance. It's a different thing.
The package is still on the plane.
We understand the package is on the plane. We're trying to cripple it remotely.
You can do that.
We can if the pilot left the satellite uplink switched on.
Which he has.
And how do you access the uplink?
It involves hacking a Russian satellite,
I can't authorize that.
which is why I didn't ask permission.
We are under investigation for misconduct.
The package is on board. What do you want me to do?
Luther.
I'm reading a heat bloom, Benji. The engines are starting.
Yeah, I'm aware of that.
But I can't do anything until I'm connected to the satellite.
Benji, you're connected.
Okay, great.
The package is still on that plane.
Shut down the fuel pump.
The mechanicals are locked out.
What about the electrical system?
Oh, that might work.
No. Hydraulics.
Okay, stand by. No, they're encrypted.
Benji, the plane!
Yes, the package is on the plane. We get it.
Can you open the door? Ethan? Where are you?
I'm by the plane. Benji, can you open the door?
Can I open the door? Maybe.
Open the door when I tell you! I'm on the plane! Open the door! How did you get in the plane? Not in the plane! I'm on the plane! Open the door! Benji, open the door! Yeah, okay.
Benji, open that door right now!
Yeah, I'm trying.
Come on, Benji.
Benji, open that door!
Come on. Come on.
Yes, got it. That's the wrong door!
Benji, not that door. The other door.
The other door, right, yes, the other door. Okay, oh, yes, sorry. My bad.
Hello, Hydra.
All right, look, I'm gonna open the power door. How's that?